Baby toothpaste is Zara's toothpaste?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's not.
Good job, Zara. Warm. Hot. Hot. Is it warm or hot? Okay, it's warm. Good job.
Whoa.
Whoa.
I will hold it. Daddy.
Okay, so you have to stay so he's protected. That's right. That's very good. Yeah. Yeah. Sorry. Sorry. It's okay. It's okay. Okay. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. It's all done. It's all done. So clean. So clean. Is that where your boots? Are you excited to play with your friends?
Yeah.
Is anyone doing birthday today? Who?
Mommy's doing my birthday and starting my thing.
What is it?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you just brush? We have to go rinse it out, okay? No. Okay, Chizzy, come. Now you have to get dressed. Kaineto is settled and ready for her snow pants before we go outside.
And I have a snow pin doing this.
So this is the flip. Alright, so can you do the flip? Yep. Good job, you did it. I love you. Yeah, it's like I'm trying to put on Kaineto's snowsuits. You wanna make a snow man? Okay. Yeah. Nice boots. Ready to go. Sorry. You okay? Do you want to hold something like this? So bring your shoe closer and then yes, you can hold on to it. So hold it, okay? Bless you. Good job. Your hat is in your backpack. Where's your pink backpack? Yeah, I'm gonna put my jacket on. Alrighty. Kind of. So you're ready to roll. Wagon time. It's time to get in the wagon. Alright, come, let's go. It's time. Right. Yeah, you okay? Yeah, the wagon has to be put in the truck.
Okay.
Kaino, you good? Kaino, you good? Cheese! Sit down beside the jeep. Crazy, so to walk past here is a ton of work. Sorry. Oh, I see. Hi. Yes. Kids are all cranky this morning. Love you, Zara. You wanna give Daddy a hug? Zizi? Sorry. Love you, Zara. Sorry. Alright, go have fun, okay?
I love you.
That was intense, but we've dropped them off, and now we're heading to our next location. How was it? How was the drop off? You tired? So we're trying to have quick lunch. So, how would you rate the soup?
7.5. What's your name?
I'll rate it 8.0 because I really liked it. I loved the beef, I love the soup, I love the portion, I love the presentation as well. So the school's done, and I have to go pick up the key. So I basically just have to leave what I'm doing. It's getting really bad. Just come with me while we go get the kids. Canada is crazy when it comes to this winter. Like, oh my god, this has to be like the worst I've experienced so far. Alright guys. So I'm just trying to drive carefully because the roads are super slippery. Of course, with the Range Rover, I'm driving on snow mode just to be on the safe side. Now we have to strap on. Yes, buckle up.
What?
Buckle up your seat belts. Hold this. How was school today? Did you play?
Yeah.
You had so much fun?
I play Caleb.
Oh, you played with Caleb?
Yeah.
Awesome. That's my baby. You don't want to wait till you get home before you open it. What's that? Let me see. Uh-oh. What's this? Oh, Smarties. Whose birthday was this for? Nice. Did you wish them a happy birthday? Okay, have this. You're welcome. Look, you have to take you one at a time, okay? What's that? Is that a dinosaur? Oh, Spider-Man. This is so cute. Okay, you wanna hold this as well? Okay, so it's time to go home. Yes. Do you wanna see mommy?
Yeah.
You can't wait to see mommy, right? Say I love you, mommy.
Love you, Mommy.
love you, mommy. Love you too.
Okay, I want the kitten.
Yeah, I love you kinda too. Alright guys, so there you have it. This is a full typical day. We've picked up the kids, so now we're gonna just go home, have fun, relax, share some family moments, and go to bed. And tomorrow, repeat.